Welcome to the pinkest, most kawaii bedroom tour you'll ever see. Hello everybody, it is Rosa and welcome to my pink bedroom tour. This is a bedroom that I moved into in January, which was about 5 months ago at the time of recording. And it is still a work in progress, but it is so cute. I really wanted to give you guys a tour of the bedroom in its current state. So, let's do it. And so, this is my desk. This is where I work pretty much every day and I do my YouTube videos here, I edit here, I do my work for my mom here. This is my desk. The greatest thing about it, or one of the greatest things maybe, is that this really cute desk here I got on Marketplace for like $50. The handles were a bit like old looking, so I painted them gold. There are still drawers in it, which means that I can store all of my crap away and it looks really pretty and neat. I also got this mouse pad from AliExpress. Unfortunately, all my mouse pads were too big for the desk, so I did actually have to cut it here so that it can slot into the shape of the desk, but I actually think it looks really nice that way. And then yeah, I've got this keyboard. I actually have so many keyboards from Lindsay Keyboards because they sent me them for free to unbox. They're so freaking cute. Same as this mouse. And then here is my desk. Here's actually my little preview of the video, so have some inception. And that just helps me because the DJI screen is quite small, so I usually use that to preview, and it's a cute little Miffy phone holder as well. Now on my wall, I've got my like keychains and stuff. This was like the most simple DIY, basically just bows from AliExpress on the wall and everything hangs up it. I also have my Tamagotchis hanging up here. This is my current one that I just made a video about. And here I've mounted my computer on the wall. So I've hid the cables here. This one is attached for some reason. And I just think obviously it makes it look so much nicer than just having like cables there, you know? Also, I love so much that I put this bedazzling on the computer and it just makes it look so much better. Also on my desk, I have this, which keeps my tea and coffee warm. And it's also another phone holder, but I rarely use it as that. Then I have some essentials. I've got my old credit card for some reason because that's an essential. Glasses cleaning. Over here, I've got my random bits and bobs. I've got another Tamagotchi. I've got some more of the clips for the wall. I have a Hello Kitty flip phone. It does work. You just need to get the right size SIM card for it. I've got an iPod that I really want to try and revamp, but I don't have the charger and I can't be bothered buying one yet. And I also have my camera that I haven't taken selfies on for a while, but I really love this camera. It's the Casio XLM something T80 maybe. Then in here, I just have my Mofusund glasses case. And also, hello Minerva. Then in this drawer, we've got all of my stationery. It's like, I don't use it that much, but when I do, I know where everything is, which is great. It's just like a bunch of random stuff, pencils, texters, all of that stuff. And in this one, I've got my handbag essentials. So basically like when I'm going out, I just grab this stuff and put it in my bag. So this is my like essentials bag. This has like everything: Band-Aids, asthma puffer, contact lens solution, gum, Panadol, hairbrush, mirror, sewing kit, antihistamines, everything. So I just chuck this one in my bag. And then if I need other stuff, oh wait, this is my sewing kit here. No, wait, this is my hairbrush, another hairbrush. This is my sewing kit here. It's so cute. But yeah, this is just bits and bobs. Like I even have a knife that I got from Girl Guides that is good. We're not allowed self-defense things in Australia, but you know, little Miffy bag, just various things to keep, you know, life convenient. Moving on, we have my computer. This was so painful to build because it's really tiny. Like it's so small. As you can see, like I actually have to have this wire here to push the, what is this, graphics card away from the wall. Otherwise, when the fan starts spinning, they hit the glass. So I have to have that there to make sure it pushes back because these tubes here are quite strong. So they push this forward and it was a whole mess. This came with 2 fans on top, but it didn't fit, so I had to take one of the fans out. Oh man. Every time I build a computer, I say never again, and then I do it. So over here in my drawers under the computer, we just have like boring storage stuff that you don't want out. For example, the bottom drawer has my Japanese books and other study books and papers and all of that. This drawer is boring. It's literally just cables. This is another boring drawer. It's kind of empty actually. It's got cables and like random miscellaneous stuff. Like I have a kazoo. Why do I have a kazoo? Ooh, this drawer is actually quite exciting. So if you've been watching my channel for ages, you know that I really like doing phone videos. So this is like my phone drawer. I have my dumb phone. I've got my old Samsung S20. Unfortunately, the screen is broken, but can't get myself to get rid of it. This is, you know the brand Meitu, like the photo editing app? So they actually came out with a phone and it's so cool. It's the best color pink phone I've ever had in my life. But unfortunately, the camera isn't that great. So like, we have to move on. Then I also got a couple free Redmi phones. I feel bad because these videos are really popular and people ask me like how the phones are going, but I don't use them. I decorate them for a video and I unbox them and I test them out and then I don't use them. This is my first ever phone, a Nokia Slide. It got destroyed when I dropped it in the ocean. This one was my second phone. I have such fond memories with this phone. It is a One Touch Tribe and it is so cool. If we still had phones like this, I would be using this every day. Then we have my old Z Flip as well. I love this phone case so much. And then lastly, we also have this phone, which is a Pop Teen Docomo Girls F03D. It is so cute. Just look at the details. The little love heart and stuff. And the bow as well. Oh my gosh. They just don't make phones like this anymore, which is so sad because it's gorgeous. It's so cool. Then in this drawer, we have my basically photos that don't fit on the pantry door because I hang all of my photos inside the pantry and it's full. So lots of photo booth photos and then also stickers. So I guess it's kind of like a potential scrapbooking drawer. I also have the stamp that I made in Japan and for some reason a pair of socks. And lastly, we have just my like camera drawer. So we've got my old camera, it's broken, but I'm keeping it. I've got my Insta360 Go, and I have my Insta360 360 camera. Then I've got my boyfriend's film camera, which it just makes sense to keep all of the cameras in one spot. Also have my boyfriend's Polaroid, which I actually have my own, but because it's from 2012, it's like a cute Hello Kitty one. It's not that great. This one is actually better, so I've been using this lately. And I also have my cute camera that I got in Japan. It's a little digicam. It was 70 bucks in the junk section, but it still works and it takes really cute photos. So yeah, I really like this camera. Then, as I'm sure you noticed behind me, I have a whole rack of clothes. I'm not actually going to get into that because I'm going to film a wardrobe tour as well. So stay tuned for that if you are more interested in my wardrobe. I have this and I have a whole wardrobe over there as well. So underneath the clothes, I have just a couple things. I've got a cute little Tamagotchi toy that my friend Gigi gave me. So cute. And I really like it here because it covers the PowerPoint. So it's very convenient. And then I have a air filter that I don't even think it's turned on. I need to move this into the bedroom. So it's just kind of there for now. And then I've got all my cables behind there. And like my cable management isn't too bad, honestly. Most things are pretty hidden. Then moving along, I actually got this bed from IKEA. It goes all the way through to the other side, so the cat's like using it as a tunnel. And here I've got a little Miffy bag. I've got my Tamagotchi box that's kind of just away because it was on my to-do pile and I'm hiding it for the video. Then up here I also have my Chonka bag as well that my friends got me for my birthday last year. And then we have my bed. So this is just like obviously the best part of my room. We started off with a day bed in here and there was a lot more space, but it just wasn't very practical because this technically is the guest room. We have a 2-bedroom house, so when people stay over, I did really want to have another bed for them. So we got this bed instead, and because this is a shelf behind us, it does mean that the bed is really close to the wardrobe. I didn't really think about that when I was putting it together. but alas, it is what it is. So this teddy bear here, his name is Derek. It was actually gifted to me when I was 19 by my boyfriend at the time. And for the last like 7 or so years, he's been living in my parents' attic, and they recently brought him back to me, and he's so big and he's so cute and I love him so much. He's currently wearing the crown that I made for my 29th birthday this year. So I'll probably keep this in here until I'm 30, and then it's irrelevant and I'll put it in storage because I can't throw things out when I love them. What are you looking at? Boo, 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 boo. If you're wondering who I was talking to just then, it is my kitty cat, Minerva. She is a little rescue Persian and she's the cutest little thing ever. She's so addicting. Like, I literally can't walk past her without patting her because she's so freaking cute. But as I said, the top of this bed is a shelf, so let's take a look at what I've got. So here's my little kitty cat that I got on my first trip to Japan from Kittyland. Here's a little Miffy I also got from Japan. Here's a dog I won in a crane machine in Japan. I got these two. There's another one over there from the op shop, and they're actually really nice. I don't like them because I like how the wax is melted down, so I'm kind of just preserving it like that. Then my friend Lauren gave me this Miffy. And I've got this Miffy that I bought myself, and I got this Miffy that I bought myself. And then over here, the deer my friend Alice gave me, and the clown Miffy my friend Jess gave me. My friends know me really well. Up here as well, I made myself a little DIY clothes rack on the wall to display my clothing pieces. It's literally just a hook in the wall and a curtain rod. That's literally it. Then coming down the side, this is just storage for me right now. Like, they're not even full, but I've just chucked some books in there because we need a bookshelf. And I've read all these books. These are like my teenage books, so I don't even know if I would still like them. Probably would. I like fantasy still. But they're just chilling. There's honestly nothing else. Nothing else in this corner that's worthy. Over here, we have my little photo frame. So I've got Polaroids of Billy and Lottie. And then I've got Fable's paw print, and if you remember in my videos last year, you might have met Fable, and unfortunately he passed away. So we have his paw print here to remember him by. Then out the window we have the little garden. Please excuse how disgustingly messy it is. It has been raining for almost 4 weeks straight, so I have had no time to get outside and clean it up. It's also winter, so like nothing is flowering, nothing is growing. But in the future, I want this whole area to be lined with flowers. So I've planted some camellias. They should grow up and have big pink flowers all along the fence. And hopefully it looks nice. I'm not a gardener, so I've got a lot to learn. Then of course, here, as I said, I've got my wardrobe. I'll give you like the littlest sneaky peek. And that is all. As I said, if you're interested in my wardrobe, stay tuned for my wardrobe tour video. And then lastly, we basically have like the entrance wall. So this is my like to-do list table basically. I stack all of the things like boxes and stuff like PR and unboxing stuff here. I also have a tissue box, and I have a little painting that I did of Minerva. When I finished it, my boyfriend came home and he was like, "Why is her face so big?" And I was like, "Because she's a cloud, duh." Here I have my behind the door. It literally just has a pink love heart rack from AliExpress to hang my extra bags from and my little extra charms. This one is so cute. I got it in Vietnam. It's so cute. It's got a little hat and everything. What are you doing? And I put a big pink bow on there, and it just hangs 2 of my bags that I use for like workout and casual outfits. And then I think lastly is this, which is just a rack that I put my other bags on. It's not too interesting. I have a little alarm here. This is actually a wreck alarm. It's broken sadly though. It used to have a keychain on top, so I can't even have it on my bag anymore. Boo. This is one of my favorite bags. When I bought it, I was so proud of myself because it was the most expensive bag I'd ever bought. So I really like it. Holds a special place in my heart as well. Down the bottom we have another Kate Spade bag. I actually don't use this one that much. I probably should sell it. Then I've got a little guest bag as well. My first Kate Spade. And here's a really cute bag that I got in COVID times. And it has my little Warmth series blind boxes in front of it. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I used to go by Cece. But now I've kind of differentiated my real life self and my online self. So my friends IRL call me Cece, and all of you can call me Rosa. But I do believe that is everything I have to show you in my pink bedroom. I have so many more improvements that I want to do in the future. Like, I want to put lace curtains up on all of the trims. I want to like hand paint little ribbons and love hearts and patterns. And what else? I feel like this will just be like an everlasting project, because eventually it's going to turn into like a nursery and a children's bedroom and all of that, but I'm not ready to think about that just yet. There's also actually drawers in the bottom of this bed that I forgot to show you, but that is more so part of my wardrobe tour. So once again, stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video and you want to take a little peek at my wardrobe and at all of my future videos. So I hope to see you there. Bye!